Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a huge Zara haul. This is not a sponsored video. I bought everything with my own money. Zara just has a lot of lit, cute pieces. So yeah, I got a ton of stuff. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to me and hauls, I like to see long hauls. So I had to give you guys a long haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, let's just get straight into the video.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So I got these NY shorts. As you guys can see, they say NY. Kind of thought that I needed them. It does have the price. Good God, I paid $30 for these and I got these in a large. This next pair, super booty shorts. I don't know what I was thinking because I would never wear these outside of the house unless I had like an oversized graphic tee on. You guys, I got these in a medium to large and they were $20. Oh God. Going back looking at these prices is ridiculous. So these are just like, can you guys see the material? I just thought that they were super cute. Definitely thought that they were worth having. They had a matching top to go with it if you wanted to get the matching top, but I didn't really think that I wanted a matching top. I don't know, I just felt like I could do more with it just on its own. Tops that I think that every girl needs. They're very flattering. You can wear them all year round. I got, how much did these cost? Okay, so these were $6. I think that that was a steal. This is what it looks like on a hanger. So I got this purple. I actually got this in a size large. The yellow version. It's just like a little ribbed racer tank. And then of course I got black. Okay, these are just the perfect things to kind of have in your wardrobe. You can dress them up, dress them down. They're not doing too much and they're just super cute. So I felt like I had to get all of them. You guys actually ask me all the time where I get it from, and I got it from Zara. I got a size large and it was $35, $36. It's this cropped, can you guys see like the material? Super cute. Definitely something that I don't have. You can really dress it up by itself. You can put a collared t-shirt under it if you guys want to go more of the preppy style, but I just really thought it was cute and definitely needed to have it for the spring, summer. Front actually has this material, but the back doesn't. Just like kind of soft. Yeah, I think this was the same price. Actually, this was cheaper. This was $25. So if you total up my price so far, I've actually spent way too much money. So even though it is a set, it doesn't come as a set. You got to buy each item separately. So this is the first thing that I got. It's kind of like a old school varsity jacket, little color blocking going on. I don't know, I just thought it was super cute. I don't know why I thought I needed it, but they sold me. Come on, how much was this? This was $40, and I got this one in a size extra large. Shorts were $20. These are the shorts. I got the shorts in a size large. So it was just like a set that I figured I would have gotten a lot of use out of. Because I mean, me with sets, you can either wear the jacket, you can wear the jacket with jeans, jacket with leggings, jacket with virtually anything, and then you can wear the shorts with a graphic tee, a little Skims tee, a bralette. You know what I meant? I don't have to wear them both as an outfit. I can wear them both separately, and I can also wear them both together. We got some cute stuff over here. I'll be forgetting what I got. So this, $30. This is a size large. It's like a crocheted romper. Oh, I'm gonna wear these today. It's a crocheted romper. She's a little vibe. She's a little vibe. Did I tell y'all that I don't wear bodysuits? Because who was I thinking getting this bodysuit? How much was this bodysuit? $40. Tripping. This actually looks like a wetsuit. Does it have stretch? Oh, at least it has stretch. So this is the bodysuit. It's actually super cute. Okay, super long. We gotta try it on. I wish that it would have come with adjustable straps because I don't know, I prefer to be able to adjust the strap. I don't wear bodysuits, honey. What was I thinking? And then I got this, which is another set, but it doesn't come as a set. You gotta buy it separately. The top was $40. Ooh, but she's cute. Okay, so look, it's like a vest. It's a vest. So this is the front and this is the back. The back's low-key cute. She's cute. It's got pockets, it's got a little zipper. I don't know, I just kind of felt like it was super cute. Definitely, I like sets, because sometimes if I'm just trying to look cute fast, I don't have to really think too much about a set. I can just be like, oh, I can wear that set. I got the matching shorts. Oh, y'all. I got it in a size large. The shorts were $20. Jeez. Honey. You guys. So yeah, matching little set that I felt like I needed. I hope you guys enjoyed my Zara haul. It was a huge haul for me. Going back looking at those prices, I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I thought that the stuff was super cute. I actually really love Zara. They have high quality clothes, so I'm not worried about the clothes when it comes to the price, because you kind of get what you pay for. All the Zara stuff that I have and that I own, I still have it. I have had it for years, and I just genuinely love Zara. They have cute stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next fashion upload. The next try on haul will be a Skims haul. It's been like $1,000. Oh my god, saying it out loud, I'm just like, what was I thinking? But yeah, it's a huge Skims haul, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.